I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So this is a Wilton bullet vise. I was over at my friend Dwayne's house and we're out back by his shop and he had this back there and I said, wow, that's cool. I think that's a bullet vise. He says, what's a bullet vise? And I told him that, they're I believe them to be really good vices. And I asked him if he'd let me try to restore it and he said, sure. Now, one of the challenges here is that these jaws have either been brazed on or welded on or I don't think that's JB weld. I think that feels like, I don't know what material it is. It's not steel. I don't know what it is, but I don't think I'm going to worry about that yet. I think I'm going to try to get all the rust off of it and get all the paint off of it, get it disassembled, clean it up, and then I'll worry about what to do with that. So I'm excited. I love a vise restoration, and I've never worked on a Wilton, so I've only worked on the cheap ones, so that'll be fun. Anyway, let's get started. Well, that's where I'm at. This is the project that kept me out of the shop for a month. You know, I got so frustrated because it's not my Vise. You know, I volunteered, hey, let me fix that up for you. And then I come home and I break it. So that really frustrated me. Plus, I wish I knew what this material was. I don't know if it's lead or, well, I don't think it's lead because I tried to melt it and it's certainly not JB weld. But I would think if it was brazed or welded, that would have rusted. So I just don't know what it is. Please tell me if you think you know. And it's probably not going to happen, but if somebody knows where I can get one of these pieces, I would love to, if it's not too expensive, I would love to get one because, you know, it's my friend's Vise and he gave it to me to fix and I don't want to give it back to him with that thing broken unless I absolutely have to. So, but it's time to get back in the shop and get to work. So that's what I'm doing. And I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.